How to replace a Human Touch PC-420, PC-600, PC-610 or PC Pro rear stretcher bar. You will need a 5/32 Allen wrench and a flathead screwdriver. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, remove the head pillow, then tip the chair gently forward as far as it will go. Next, use a 5/32 Allen wrench to loosen the 2 screws on each front leg. Now, using the 5/32 Allen wrench, remove the 2 screws and washers from each rear leg. Finally, pull outward on the rear legs enough to free one end of the stretcher bar, then remove the stretcher bar from the chair. Retrieve any nuts that fall out of the stretcher bar. Tap the bar to remove any remaining nuts. Take a picture of the chair's rating label, as you will need the serial number for customer service. To install the new stretcher bar, orient the bar with the holes facing the front of the chair. Install the stretcher bar into the mounting holes, pushing the chair legs outward as necessary, then push inward on the legs to hold the bar in place. Next, use the Allen wrench to tighten the 2 screws on each front leg. Now, insert one of the stretcher bar nuts into one of the holes at the end of the stretcher bar, with the opening facing the chair leg. Then, use the Allen wrench to install one of the rear leg screws and washers. Repeat this step to install the other 3 rear leg screws. If the screw will not go all the way in, the nut is not oriented properly. Use a flathead screwdriver to turn the nut to the proper position. Finally, gently return the chair to the upright position, replace the head pillow, and you're done.